Hi, I'm Teacher Victoria, and welcome to the ESL Classroom. If you're listening with your morning coffee, commuting, or just giving yourself a quiet moment to learn something new, you're in the right place. Each episode here offers a slow, steady walkthrough of an idea, something you can listen to for fun, for learning, or simply for comfort. No pressure, no rush, just a clear explanation and a calm space to breathe. So get comfortable, take a deep breath, and let's ease into today's topic.
All right, let's talk about learning a new language. When it comes down to it, who's the better teacher? Is it a super smart AI that literally fits in your pocket, or is it a dedicated human being who can actually see when you struggle? It's a question that really pits the heart against the code, and today, that's exactly what we're going to get into. So picture this. You're in a cozy little cafe in Paris. You've just confidently ordered your coffee in French, and you nailed it. The barista smiles, responds in perfect French, and you actually understand everything. It's just this incredible moment of pure connection. But what got you to that point? Was it that app on your phone, or was it a patient, real-life teacher? And that really is the central question here. Can machines teach language as well as people can? But this isn't just about technology. It's about the very nature of learning, of connection, and what it truly means to communicate with another person. So let's start by making the case for the machine. First up, the AI revolution. We have to look at the incredible case for AI. In just the last few years, artificial intelligence has completely changed the game, essentially putting a sophisticated, powerful language lab right into our pockets. The strengths of an AI tutor, well, they really come down to sheer practicality. They are always on. Feel like practicing your Spanish at 2 a.m.? Go for it. You get immediate, precise feedback without having to wait, but maybe the most crucial advantage is that they're completely non-judgmental. You see, in linguistics, there's this concept called the affective filter. It's like an emotional barrier that goes up when we're anxious or self-conscious, and it literally blocks our ability to learn. AI helps tear that filter right down. And this creates a huge psychological advantage. With an AI, there's no fear of looking foolish. You just try again and again and again. You're building confidence in a completely private space where that affective filter stays low and the learning can just flow right in. But the efficiency of code is really only one side of the coin. Now let's explore what an algorithm, for all of its incredible power, really struggles to capture: the human element. And that's because language isn't just some logical system of rules. It's a living, breathing thing. It's full of cultural nuance, emotional subtext, and the rhythm of human interaction, all things that an algorithm just has a really hard time truly grasping. This illustrates the gap perfectly. Have you ever tried telling a joke to a chatbot? It can process the structure of the joke, sure, but it can't feel the humor. It doesn't share your laughter, it doesn't sense your frustration, and it certainly doesn't celebrate with you when a tricky concept finally clicks into place. So you end up with this really clear contrast. On one side, you have the AI, which is brilliant at processing rules and tracking data with perfect precision. And on the other, you have the human teacher, who feels the rhythm of a conversation and shares those deep cultural insights that give words their true meaning. And this is where the real magic of human teaching happens. A great teacher can turn a potentially super embarrassing mistake, like confusing beach into a shared, funny learning moment. That empathy builds a powerful bond that makes learning not only more effective, but a whole lot more enjoyable. Okay, but of course, to be fair, human instruction isn't perfect either. It comes with its own set of challenges. So we've got to maintain a balanced perspective here. When you look at it this way, the practical trade-offs are crystal clear. When it comes to cost, availability, and scalability, the AI has a massive advantage, no question. But then you get to that last row, emotional support. And that's a category where the human teacher is just simply irreplaceable. So where does all this leave us? Well, it leads us away from thinking about this as a competition and moves us toward a powerful new model, a partnership. For way too long, this whole debate has been framed as a zero-sum game. Who's going to win? Who's better? But that is absolutely the wrong way to look at this. The real answer, then, isn't a choice between them. It's a synthesis of them. It's about leveraging the unique strengths of both to create a learning experience that's more effective, more accessible, and ultimately even more human than ever before. Imagine a day of learning that looks like this. You warm up with an AI chatbot, practicing vocabulary and sentence structure with absolutely no pressure. Then, you meet with your human teacher to work on the nuance and the real-world conversational skills. Afterwards, the AI uses data from that very session to create personalized drills that target your exact weak spots. It is truly the best of both worlds. And this quote just captures that synergy perfectly. An AI can give you the building blocks, the words, the grammar, the syntax. It can teach you how to say, "I love you." But a human provides the soul, the context, the emotion, and the cultural understanding that connects language to life and helps you feel what it means. So we really need to reframe this whole conversation. We should stop asking which one is better and start asking how we can design learning systems where AI and human teachers collaborate to unlock every student's full potential. Because the ultimate goal here isn't just fluency, is it? It's to cultivate communicators who aren't just skilled with words, but who are also culturally aware and emotionally intelligent. So the real question for the future isn't just about how we learn language, but what kind of communicators we truly want to become.